Alright, what's good YouTube? I'm here. Alright, what's good YouTube? Alright, what's good YouTube? I'm here with my boy Dan. Alright, what's good YouTube? I'm here with my boy Joe. As you can see right there. But yeah, it's my little sister's birthday party right now. But me and Joe are about to just go to Concord and just do whatever, see what we do. But yeah, we're just in the chill. And yeah, just it should be an interesting vlog because we don't even know what we're gonna do. But yeah. Alright guys, so we're in Martinez right now, driving to Concord. I know we still don't know what we're gonna do exactly, we're just gonna see what we do. But yeah, see you guys when you get there.
Okay guys, if you haven't seen Sal's last video, don't watch it, it's hella embarrassing. JK, go ahead and watch it, give the guy some views, even though you're watching this video on his channel. So go watch his other video, the basketball one, and see what happened. That thing was super embarrassing. I don't want to do that again. I made myself look so bad because, I don't know, we all look so bad, Sal and Danjo. And then, but yeah, you guys go watch his last video. He's gonna have the link in the description or like at the end of those 2 cards, whatever, if he does it. Right, Sal?
My name's Jeff.
Alright guys, we made it to so we made it to Concord. Just like a shopping mall, outside shopping mall. But yeah, so we're just gonna walk around and see what we're gonna do.
Okay, I just got sidetracked.
Look guys, this is like hell nice. It's like a what's it called? It's a gym. It's a cool indoor pool. Look at that. I put you guys in a shopping cart, so it just does. I don't know. This is like better. How am I do this? Push you guys in a shopping cart. You guys are like my kid. Like for real. Like you're in the seat where you put a kid. I don't know. We're just chilling.
What stores that go to? What stores that go to?
I don't know. We'll bring it back. See Joe right here.
Hey guys. Wait, can you see? What are you doing? Last time I was ice skating, I busted my ass.
There's an ice skating rink right here. But yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, let's go ahead and move.
This is my first time, one of my first times filming in public or vlogging in public. I don't know. It's cool for now. I don't know. So far, it's not that bad. But yeah, let's just see this little B-roll of this pond. Yeah, there's like nothing here to do really. I mean, there's a movie theater, but we can't really go in there with a big camera and stuff. I don't know, we might go in the movie theater later. I don't know.
You don't know what to say. It's like nothing. Like it looks nice, but there's nothing to do.
Okay, so yeah, we're still just walking around. But I guess I'll just talk to you guys about the future videos I'm planning on doing, which is just like I mean the basketball video series. I'm gonna do this episode 2 is gonna be my friend Jaquez. I'm still trying to find someone else to do it with. Also, there needs to be 3 people total in it, adding me. I mean, and stuff. But yeah, now I'm doing episode 3 with 2 other people and myself. But yeah,
Shibuya.
we're back at the car. This is a cool place, like cool shopping area and stuff, just to chill and kick it. But it's not, can't really go into any places that, I don't know. Just, yeah, I don't know, guys. But we're just, we don't really know what to do out here as we're vlogging, because you can't really like vlog in the places, I guess, like the movie theater, we can't vlog in. We're just trying to figure out what we're gonna do. We're either gonna just go back to my house and eat, and then just chill in my room or something, or we're gonna go do something something else, and then
Guys, subscribe to It's Just Irrelevant.
Yep. See you guys in the next clip.
Okay, guys. So I'm just waiting for Sal. Shit, like his dog keeps trying to help you guys. Like his dog, shit, like he hated me, now he likes me. He's trying to shit on me. You guys, his dog's spooky.
Alright guys, so we just got done eating. It was pretty good. So we just got done eating. It was pretty good. It was like Mexican food, you know, those tostadas and beans and rice and yeah, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, we're just in my room. We're gonna just watch one of my videos that I like, one of my first videos that I like forgot to edit something out, that I was like smelling my shoes and stuff. But yeah, I don't know, we're just gonna chill. And yeah.
Come on, Zeus, let's dance. Chill, Zeus, chill. Okay, guys, there's Sal right there before he had his beard. And then, boom. Bro, why do you look like my uncle right now? You look like my Uncle Jess.
This looks better.
It does look like my Uncle Jesse right now. Bro, you look just like my uncle right now. This is the first time I've ever seen, in the entire time I've known Sal. I've known Sal since I was, shit, dude, how old was I? 14? Since I was 15, I think. And this is the first time I've ever seen him wearing a hat. What color? Wait, this is
red.
And the color is yellow, so I'm skipping you. I'm skipping you again. And I'm changing the color to blue. So that's blue, go ahead.
Okay, I think you got it.
Guys, we got 3 left. Over from like 7. Bro, you haven't gotten a 7 or a blue? Are you serious?
Oh shit.
Skip you. Or come back to me and I skip you and I don't have any cards.
3 hours later.
So our cards red.
No, are they? This last one could be green, this last one could be yellow.
I got 3 cards left, guys. Wow. Damn, how long was that? Sal makes the video, does something, and he wins it. How do you feel? So I saw this bag in Sal's room. I know he did his outro, but that was a fake outro, I guess. I saw that he says his firefighter, he has to get back, so he's about to go ahead and put it all on for you guys. His camera might die while we're doing it. Okay guys, this video is on. So why did they do that?
It's easier.
Is it heavy? No, put the gloves on too.
But not our
This is my video game character I'm choosing.
It's me, DT.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Do not go in there. They're changing.
He stole this out of someone's car, legit with his dad.
That's, I think, the person stole out. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, or I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, but I feel like it's gonna be a quick vlog. I'll probably edit it and stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed though. Yeah, just stay tuned. Just make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of me and like the content I'm gonna be making, because I'm gonna have some banger content soon. I have some banger videos coming out. Just stay tuned, subscribe, and make sure to push that notification bell so you're notified the second I upload a brand new video. So yeah, it's your boy Sal. I'm out. Peace.